Whee! Snook. Thing over there that I'm using. Just you gotta keep fishing. Just keep fishing. Keep working that paddle tail too. I mean, it just pick one and go with it. I don't think he's gonna make the cut either. They're all this size. Look at him. He's drumming. I can feel him. Look, watch. Look at his belly. Look. Baby trout.
You can't troll with him?
No. It's illegal. Oh. Oh, I just got smacked. Oh. There's ladyfish here. There's ladies over here. That's a boy then. Oh, I got. Oh. Get in here. Ah. I think that's a red. Yeah, he's fighting like a red. Keep that line tight, or you're gonna lose him. Yeah, keep the line tight. Always keep the line tight. Oh, it's a snook. I think it's a snook.
It is, you're right.
Yeah.
I wanted a ring.
You're letting that line go slack.
Is that danger?
Yeah, that's how you lose fish.
Danger zone?
Bam.
Oh, at least I got to watch him swim.
Oh. I just got tugged too. There we go. Gabriel on another one. What do we got, Gabriel? Another red? Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, he came super close. Wasn't expecting all that.
I got hit. Let me see if he stole it. No? Was that a fiddler?
Yeah.
Oh, no shit. Maybe that's the... Ah, there you go. I forgot you had put a fiddler on there.
6 or 7.
Let's see if it happens again first before I start jumping on that bandwagon. You know? One Super Bowl is good, but a dynasty is what you want. Oh, there we go. They don't care. This guy's small. What are you? Oh, sheep's head. on the popping cork. Little guy. Oh, he might be smaller than the one you got. Look at that guy.
It's like the tank size, man.
Let's see who else is in there.
I see something back there.
Yeah, it's probably that red.
He's like moving up on top of the water.
Okay.
Eating something.
Pop it right there now. You can close the bail and pop it right there.
Yeah, no, but I saw one of the reds when you saw that one jump right here.
Yeah.
Slide through, like, between us.
Yep.
Go in.
He went in there? Yeah. Yeah, they're definitely coming in. The tide's coming in. So they should be starting to move in. They usually come from here. They'll run under that mangrove line. Because all this side over here is where we'll fish back. And there's another little entrance. It's usually the other one's better usually. I usually do better in that one. Oh, someone just come out. Hey, what's up, dude? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, mine's going off. Oh.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Get his ass.
don't think he's a keeper though, whatever it is. Oh, it's a red. He's not a keeper. Were you the one I saw? The one I saw go in there was bigger. The one I saw go in there was flat. Hey, I was recording. Little red. Keep the line tight. Don't let it go slack. Yeah. He's small. You don't have to be rough with him. Be gentle. Snook, huh? Yep, Snooky. There you go. You got him now. End zone. There he is. There's more fish. They're starting to come in now. They're starting to come in now. There's gonna be more. There you go. Oh, another fish. Reel down, pull up. There you go. Reel down, pull up. Reel slow down. There you go. Snook? Another snook, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. I can just tell how they're fighting. Yeah. There's some snook in there, huh? Oh, oh.
Got him. Watch this be red.
It is. It is. I know it is. Oh, maybe now not. He's fighting different now, but initially it felt like a red. It's all right. Get it in. They're right under that mangrove corner right now. Yep. Just let it keep going in there. Just let it drift in there. Or that, you could get it in there faster. Oh, look at the raccoon in the tree. You see him? See them in the tree? Look at him. Look at him. That's a full-grown one.
Oh, look at that raccoon in the tree. See him? See him in the tree? Look at him. Look at him. That's a full-grown one.
Two. He's a big boy. Look at him. Look. Oh! Did he fall? That'd have been cool if we caught him full. Is he gonna mess up our spot? What is he doing? Oh, there you go. That's gonna be get something. Someone's gonna eat that for sure. There he is. Oh, he got you. He got you. You took it.
Where'd your buddy go?
He's over there. I told him there's another entrance. That's where we're going next, but I don't think we're gonna have time. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh, oh. There's the keeper maybe. Remember, when he's pulling, let him pull. There's a good one there, puppy. Yeah, he's
He scared me.
yeah, he was he took some line right away. That's for sure.
Changed my drag either.
No, that's what I'm saying. He might be the one. All right, this is red number 4, I think, here for him. I've caught 1 or 2. We got snook out of here, sheep's head out of here. Let's see. No keepers yet. This one might be the closest one. We had a 17 incher earlier, and I don't think he's gonna make it. He said, He said, not yet, buddy. said, what do you think you doing with that net? He said, what do you think you doing with that net? Boom. Oh, he might be, I don't know, he might be 17 or he's another 17 or he might be the one. He ain't, he's 17 again, 16, 17. Green pill or red pill? Yeah, red pill. Again, more to the right again. That guy was. That's a snook, I think. Yep. Snooky! Yeah, it's a baby. Baby. Woo. See you later, buddy. See ya. Oh, oh, come on, come on. Oh, world's smallest snook coming up. World's smallest snook coming up. Look at this guy. Whee! All right, species. Yeah, you're right. Put it in that back rod holder. Yeah, the one that's in the crate. Yeah, right now with the drag loose. Yes, because right away the first thing you have to do once you get them is slowly tighten the drag.